As a self-represented litigant, you will have questions and want advice. But before asking court personnel, who include court clerks, law librarians, and probation officers, it is important to know what questions they can and cannot answer. Court staff are happy to explain and answer general questions about how the court works, like, what should I wear to court? Can I bring my kids to court? What does the term plaintiff mean? They are able to give you general information about court rules, procedures, and practices. For instance, where can I find the Arizona statutes on guardianship? Do I have to stand when I speak? How do I serve this form? You wonder if you qualify for free legal services or would like to hire a lawyer and don't know where to start? Court personnel can provide you with contact information for referral services, legal aid programs, and other agencies that you might not be aware of. Do you know when your case is scheduled, or do you need to schedule a hearing? Court personnel can assist you with locating the court calendar and provide you information on how to start the request for a hearing. Case files that are not restricted can be discussed, but court staff cannot provide advice on what you should do next. They are able to define terms that you may not understand, instruct you on how to pay a fine, or tell you about the next steps in the process. For a small fee, the law libraries, self-help centers, and court clerks have forms, packets, and instructions available for various case types. The majority of these forms are also available in Spanish. Deadlines for filing, service, answering, and responding are all different depending on the jurisdiction and case type. Court staff can provide answers when you are asking general questions about these deadlines. Court personnel cannot provide legal advice. They are not able to tell you whether or not you have a case or whether you should take your case to court. When filling out court forms, they are not able to tell you what you should say or if they were done correctly. If you are unsure, ask if there are instructions available for the forms you are using. Going to court can be intimidating, but court personnel cannot tell you what to say or how to form your statements. Remember, stick to the facts of the case, not your feelings. Court staff are not able to give you their opinion about what will happen if you bring your case to court. They cannot make predictions on outcomes or provide any legal advice. Self-help centers and law libraries are able to direct you to rules of procedure and other research materials, but they cannot tell you what to research or what the information you find means in regards to your case. Judges cannot be approached about your case outside of the designated court hearing time or date. The court personnel cannot talk to the judge on your behalf or pass any information to the judge for you. They also cannot get the judge for you so you can speak to them. Court staff cannot alter documents. If you made a mistake or think that the other side has made a mistake, there are forms that can be filed or arguments that can be made during the hearing. To recap, these are the things court clerks, law librarians, and probation officers are able to give you information on: court operations, court rules, procedures, and practices, legal aid, lawyer referrals, and other agencies, court schedules, case files, court forms, and deadlines. Now, these are the things that court clerks, law librarians, probation officers are not able to tell you. Whether you have a case, if your forms are correct, what to say on forms or in court, their opinion on your case, what to research or how to apply it, how to reach the judge, and they cannot alter court documents. The ability to assist you depends on the time and resources available to that court location. The responsibilities, knowledge, and experience of each staff member varies, so if they don't know, go to azcourthelp.org for more information.